Hello there, this is Jay Bowman with your commentary on the Dow Jones for the 28th, Monday the 28th, 2011. Now here we have the monthly graph, and as you can see we topped out basically at the 12.4 mark. Now it's come off that so far. It looks like we're sort of stalling at this level. Now, as I said before, when we do the calculations on a break of this horn pattern in the next coming months, we do have a target of 4.8 to roughly 15,000, but that's not going to happen straight away. I think we're going to get a bit of a pullback to begin with, and I'll just demonstrate that pullback in the weekly that I can see. So in the weekly here, what we've got is see how we've had these flags and we've hit the target, we've had another flag, hit the target pretty much, and now we've sort of got a really nice bearish engulfing candle in the weekly, and you could expect it to retrace before breaking again. And if we do get a break, you're looking at roughly 14,000, so let's just go home more in and just see how far of a retracement we're going to get, and go from there. Okay, so let's go to daily. So look what we've got here. We've got a sort of an ascending wedge break, and the target on the break has been hit. Okay, so that's been done, but now that's out of the equation. So now we've got to look at the next scenario here that's unfolding, and it looks to me like it's going to be a flag to the downside. So if we do get this, say we get another day of just mediocre upwards, or maybe even a break, we are looking at the 11.6 mark, 11.7 mark, right? High 11.7, so 11.8, 11.7, but we still have to get through this 12 mark before that would be confirmed, and you would have roughly about a good 200 points to that next target. Now let's home in, and we'll home in on the intraday. So intraday is pretty much, it's hit its target out of the ascending wedge, and we are we are in a flag formation, hammer down here, as you can see around there. That was a nice hammer down, and what we've got here is that if we do get a break in the coming days, we've got the 11.7 mark, so 11.740. So pretty much the same sort of deal with the 3-hour graph and the daily. So why don't we just go back and just have a look at the sort of supports on the way. Have a look at some supports here. Now we definitely have one here at the 11.460 mark. We've got some data here at the 11.8 mark. So what you could say to yourself is pretty simple, is that if we get through 12,000 and we close below it, it would definitely be a short until 11.8, which is 200 odd points, and then getting through that you're probably going to hit this target. So it's just a matter of guaranteed stops and dragging your your stop to a zero risk position. So that's the Dow for you. It's looking like we are going to get a retracement, so it's just a matter of how much before we do break. As you see here on the weekly, that we get a break and we are heading to a higher target, like what has been happening. So it's just a matter of getting through those supports, and then just waiting for the way back up again. So that's Jay Bowman signing out. This is for Monday week, the 28th of February. And keep up to date with my other commentary during the week. Thank you.